Today, we're unlocking a treasure chest of innovation with 20 brilliant hand tools that most people have never laid eyes on. Forget the basics, we're not talking about your standard hammer or garden variety screwdriver. These are precision instruments, workflow transformers, and sheer ingenuity in physical form. From delicate electronic work to the roughest industrial environments, we've hunted down the most forward-thinking and impressive tools available anywhere. Strap on your safety gear. Here we go. First on the list, for bike mechanics and passionate cyclists alike, meet the Hasset 4971-5 brake piston readjusting pliers. Engineered in Germany, this tool is a testament to what precision really looks like. Purpose-built for disc brake systems on bicycles, the flat, wide jaws distribute pressure evenly across brake pistons, resetting them cleanly without the risk of harm. The ergonomic non-slip grip gives you total command of every movement, turning what used to be a frustrating job into something almost effortless. No more improvising with a screwdriver and crossing your fingers. The Hasset pliers offer a professional, damage-free experience that prepares your brake system flawlessly for fresh pads every single time. For any serious bike shop, this is a non-negotiable addition, a tool that brings confidence and consistency to high-end bicycle servicing at every use. The fellow T-handles with side drives are German-engineered workhorses built for the most demanding environments. Forged from premium chrome molybdenum vanadium steel, they're constructed to outlast the competition, and they exceed DIN and ISO standards by up to 100%. What separates them from everything else is the dual drive system, a long standard blade for efficient fastening, and a side drive embedded in the handle for those unyielding, locked-in screws that won't budge. The two-component ergonomic handle sits naturally in your palm, letting you pour on the force without any discomfort. For tradespeople and industrial mechanics, this two-in-one marvel delivers efficiency, comfort, and serious torque. With blades hardened to 59 HRC and sizes spanning 2mm to 10mm, there's a fellow T-handle ready for any challenge you face. The Kuko dowel pin puller is the answer to one of the most stubborn problems in engine work. This German-crafted tool, used alongside a sliding hammer, turns the removal of even the most reluctant dowel pins into a manageable task. Its adjustable chuck head and safety lock collar grip pins from 1mm to 13mm, smooth, grooved, or otherwise, with rock-solid reliability. Specialized fastening keys ensure the head stays locked with no movement during operation. For engine mechanics, this means no more collateral damage to pins or surrounding components. It's a clean, powerful solution to a notoriously headache-inducing job. The Kuko dowel pin puller exemplifies what German manufacturing does best, turning something brutal into something graceful. This compact 5-piece ratchet set is a lifesaver for electricians and anyone tackling work in cramped, hard-to-access spaces. The slim profile 72-tooth ratchet operates on just a 5-degree arc swing, small enough to function where nothing else can reach. Inside the kit, a 1/4 and 5/16 inch dual drive head, a 1/4 inch adapter for standard sockets, and 4 driver bits. High-strength chromium vanadium steel construction means it handles serious torque without complaint, while a finger loop on the handle gives you reliable one-handed control. Lightweight at just 2.5 ounces, this is a versatile, rugged little powerhouse that earns its spot in every tool bag and stays there permanently. For crafters, quilters, and hands-on hobbyists, the Alpha RTY 2G 45mm rotary cutter is in a class by itself. Manufactured in Japan, it's engineered around two core principles: precision and safety. Its 45mm tungsten tool steel blade slices cleanly through stacked layers of fabric, paper, or vinyl, and the symmetrical build makes it equally at home in left or right hands. When you're done, the integrated blade cover slides into place to protect you from that razor-sharp edge. Changing blades requires no tools whatsoever. If you're still using scissors and dealing with jagged cuts or distorted edges, this tool will change your life.
Clean, accurate, and durable, the Alpha Rotary Cutter is the upgrade your craft deserves. Need an extra set of hands on the job site? The Irwin Quick Lift Construction Jack is the solution. With a simple squeeze of the handle, it lifts up to 330 pounds, making cabinet installation, window fitting, and door hanging dramatically easier. The precision-controlled lowering lever lets you dial in micro adjustments for spot-on alignment, while the full release trigger resets everything instantly. It can also spread up to 10 inches wide when that's what a task demands. This jack turns one-person operations into the equivalent of a two-person crew. For contractors and serious DIYers, it's stable, safe, and an absolute productivity multiplier.
The Knipex Cobalt Strip is the wire stripper you've been searching for. Intuitive, compact, and brilliantly designed. This German-made tool automatically calibrates to strip wire from 24 to 10 AWG without nicking a single strand of conductor. A built-in cable cutter handles wires up to 10 AWG. A length stop ensures your strips are consistent every time, and fine adjustment capability lets you handle specialty insulation without issue. Constructed from glass fiber reinforced plastic, it manages to be both feather light and impressively tough. For veterans and beginners alike, the Cobalt Strip is a must-have that makes every wiring job faster, cleaner, and far less frustrating. When you're dealing with serious cable work, the Tajima Variax Easy Cable Stripper operates on a level of its own. Built for professional-grade mid-span stripping, it's the ideal tool for branching tasks. Its dual-action blades handle sheathing cuts horizontally, then rotate for stripping operations. A vertical slit to the insulation lets you twist it free, leaving the copper conductors untouched and perfectly exposed. It's an elegant three-step process that makes complex cable work feel simple. For electricians taking on heavy-duty cable runs, the Variax Easy delivers precision and time savings you simply cannot get any other way. HVAC professionals, this one's for you. The Malco ductboard cutting tools are here to completely change how you approach duct fabrication. Engineered for clean, precise, and efficient cuts through ductboard, these tools offer blade sizes in 1-inch and 1.5-inch to cut perfect V-grooves and rabbet cuts for shiplap joints. The ergonomic handles make extended use comfortable, and the construction is tough enough to take on demanding job sites day after day. Messy, inaccurate cuts are now a thing of the past. Anyone working with fiberglass ductboard will see these tools pay for themselves quickly, and the results will speak for themselves. When maximum torque is the requirement, the HVAC Impact Socket Set answers the call. German-made and designed specifically for use with impact wrenches, every socket in this set is built to absorb extreme forces without failure. A unique profile creates wider contact with each fastener, dramatically reducing the chance of rounding off a bolt. The set arrives in a hard case with foam inserts that label each socket size clearly and keep them organized. Color coding makes quick selection effortless. For automotive and heavy industrial work, this HVAC set defines what strength, durability, and precision look like in a socket collection. Prepare to experience something genuinely different with the Philo Ergonomic K-handle ratcheting screwdriver. This German-engineered tool features a patented gel-like handle material that molds to the shape of your hand, providing extraordinary comfort and enhanced torque transfer. The 60-tooth ratcheting mechanism is fast and fluid, and the 180-degree pivoting head lets you work at angles that would be impossible with conventional screwdrivers. It handles over 50 Newton-meters of torque, real professional-grade capability. The 1/2-inch quick-release bit holder makes switching bits seamless. For anyone who uses a screwdriver constantly throughout the day, the Philo Ergonomic K will reduce fatigue, increase speed, and outlast everything else in the drawer. The Facom ATCL.S Stubby Bit Holder Ratchet Screwdriver. When tight quarters are your reality, the Facom ATCL.S Stubby Bit Holder Ratchet Screwdriver becomes indispensable. This compact powerhouse is purpose-built for confined spaces where a standard length screwdriver physically cannot fit.
The ratchet mechanism accelerates work significantly, and the bi-material ergonomic handle delivers a grip that's both secure and comfortable. The set arrives with an assortment of bits, a socket adapter, and a well-organized carrying pouch. Automotive technicians, electronics repair professionals, and general maintenance workers will all find this stubby ratchet an essential companion for the awkward jobs nobody else wants to deal with. Bending sheet metal just got dramatically easier with the Metal Bender by Malco. This inventive tool delivers clean, consistent bends in aluminum, copper, and steel alike, making it ideal for custom flashing, drip edges, and other fabricated metal components. A full 180-degree bend is achievable, and the adjustable guide ensures every bend lands at exactly the right depth. The ergonomic handles provide outstanding leverage without beating up your hands over a long shift. For roofing, siding, and HVAC professionals, this is a massive improvement over hand seamers or improvised approaches. Straightforward, effective, and reliable, the Malco Bender brings real professional quality to metal fabrication tasks that used to require guesswork. Say hello to your new favorite alignment companion. The LevTech MagDog 8 is a magnetic leveling tool that sticks to any ferrous metal surface with serious holding power, giving you a completely hands-free solution for a wide range of positioning tasks. 8 powerful magnets create a grip that isn't going anywhere, and the built-in bubble level ensures you're always dead accurate. Whether you're aligning steel beams, setting posts, or handling any situation where you need both a level and a free hand simultaneously, the MagDog 8 handles it. For welders, fabricators, and steel erectors, this is the kind of tool that makes you wonder how you ever got along without it. Achieving a flawless drip edge has never been more straightforward than with the Malco Drip Edge folding tools. These specialized tools are precision designed to produce clean, crisp folds in aluminum and steel drip edges, delivering a polished result every time you use them. Available in 2 sizes to accommodate different drip edge profiles, they offer real versatility across varied project types. The ergonomic handles give you outstanding leverage, significantly cutting down on hand fatigue during extended use. Built to withstand the rigors of daily job site demands, these tools are a long-term investment for any roofing or siding contractor who values quality craftsmanship. Wavy, uneven edges will become a distant memory. Don't let the size fool you. The Crescent HK Porter compact bolt cutters deliver serious cutting capability in a highly portable package. Built specifically for efficient one-handed use, they slice through bolts, chains, and wire without struggle. Induction-hardened blades bring exceptional durability and long-lasting sharpness to every cut, while compound cutting action multiplies your hand strength to deliver far more force than you'd expect. The ergonomic handles minimize strain through even the toughest applications. These cutters handle everything from padlocks to rebar, and their compact form means they go wherever you go. Stripped and rounded fasteners are no longer the nightmare they used to be, thanks to the Facom Extractor OGV grip. This precision-engineered tool is built specifically to grab and back out the damaged nuts and bolts that standard sockets slide right past. The proprietary OGV profile creates an exceptionally firm grip on the fastener, giving you the ability to apply real torque without any slipping or additional damage. The set spans a comprehensive range of sizes, ensuring coverage for whatever you encounter. For automotive and industrial mechanics, this tool saves time, eliminates frustration, and spares you the ordeal of drilling out fasteners that should have just come off. It belongs in every professional's toolbox without question. Cutting plastic pipe cleanly and quickly is exactly what the Knips DP50 is built for. This German-made cutter is designed for one-handed operation and handles pipes up to 50 millimeters in diameter with ease. The specialized blade geometry ensures a perfectly square, deformation-free cut every time, and the smooth ratcheting action gives you precise, controlled progress through the material. Ergonomic handles minimize hand fatigue, even through repetitive cuts throughout the day. High quality, durable, and efficient, the DP50 is another example of Knips's commitment to tools that just work, every single time, with no drama. For serious hydraulic maintenance, the Ilion Rhino Gland Nut Wrench is the tool that takes charge. This heavy-duty adjustable wrench is engineered specifically for removing and installing gland nuts on hydraulic cylinders, with 2 wrenches in the set covering diameters from 1 inch all the way to 6 inches. Indented pins locked in place with hex keys create a grip on the gland nut that doesn't give, protecting both the nut and the components around it. Made from high-quality carbon steel with a tough protective coating, these wrenches absorb extreme torque and shrug off punishing environments. Gloves and a cleaning cloth are included, completing a genuinely professional package. For heavy equipment mechanics, the Rhino wrench is a game changer that brings ease and precision to one of the hardest jobs in the shop. Finally, let's talk about keeping your workshop from feeling like a maze. The Boratool PM3550 mobile base transforms your heaviest stationary machines into something you can actually move. With a 1,500-pound capacity and a fully adjustable frame that fits everything from table saws to planers, this base is built for real workshop conditions. Omnidirectional casters let you reposition even in the tightest corners, and steel foot levers make raising and lowering the machine a 1-second task. Integrated leveling feet lock everything solid when it's time to work. For woodworkers and fabricators who want to reclaim their floor space and work smarter, the PM3550 is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. And that's our roundup of 20 remarkable hand tools most people haven't encountered yet. Hopefully a few of these have earned a spot on your wish list, or better yet, on your workbench. Drop a comment below telling us which tool grabbed your attention most, and if you know of a hidden gem we should cover next, we want to hear about it. Hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.